everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you're not new. My name is Michelle, and for today's video, let's unbox some new Coach loafers. So I actually wasn't expecting to purchase these, but when I was at the outlet one day, I saw them and really liked them for some reason. I think because they remind me of the Gucci loafers, but not the Gucci loafers for the price. So yeah, let me go ahead and open this up really quick. So I did get them in two colors. I got this color first. These ones are in the chalk color, and I really just love them. Like, they are leather with gold hardware, and they look really well made. When I try them on in store too, they are also really comfortable. So these ones are the Coach Haley loafers, and I got them at the Coach outlet, and they retailed for $99, which is not a bad price also for some Coach loafers made of leather. But yeah, these ones are in the color chalk, and they are like a creamy, like ivory off-white color. Yeah, and I just love the gold hardware, and it has a small 1/2-inch heel, I believe. Yeah, and they're just so cute. So when I was at the Coach outlet, I asked them if they had a size 7 in these ones, and they only had a size 7 in these ones. So I actually was like, okay, well, I really like these ones, but they don't have it in black. But later that night, when I went online, I saw that they have a Coach outlet website, and so I ordered them in black just so that I could, you know, compare and see which ones I like better. And let me take these out. Oops. And so these ones are the ones in black. I haven't taken off much of the stuffing, but let me take off this one actually. So these ones are, I think, brand new, obviously. So they haven't been tried on by anybody. But yeah, these ones are the black ones. And I think I might get more use out of these ones than the chalk colored ones, just because I do think I have some more pieces in my closet that would go with black leather loafers than the cream colored. But these ones are so pretty. It's just, I just don't know if I'm going to wear them as often as I would the black ones. So yeah, here's what they look like side by side. Let me actually make sure that these ones are the right foot. But yeah, these ones are them side by side. They're both such beautiful shoes, and I think I might keep this one, even though I really do like this one. I think I might just go ahead and keep this one. But yeah, I mean, if you're looking for a Gucci alternative because you don't want to pay the Gucci price, I think this is a really great alternative, and they just are really cute as well. If you are looking to order them, I do want to mention that they do fit true to size, or at least when I tried them on, they were true to size. And also, if you don't have Rakuten, you can get cash back on your purchase shopping at the Coach outlet if you use Rakuten. So I think I got maybe 1 or 2%. I mean, it's not that much, but 1 or 2% off 100 is like $2 back. But yeah, I mean, it's something. These ones are super cute, and would recommend them if you guys are looking for some Coach loafers. Let me know if you guys have any questions in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next video.